In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices on Udemy. Now, while Udemy doesn't currently provide a direct feature to log out from all devices at once, there's a workaround that ensures your account security on every device you're logged into. The key here is to change your password. Doing this will effectively sign you out of all devices, providing you with much-needed peace of mind. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Udemy account settings. To do this, head over to the Udemy website and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. This icon usually displays either your initials or a profile picture if you've set one. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, choose the option labeled Account Settings. This section is your gateway to customizing and safeguarding your Udemy experience. Within the account settings, look for the section labeled Change Password. It's crucial to know that this section handles all things related to your account security. Here, in front of you, you will see a field for your current password and 2 additional fields for you to input a new password. Enter your present password in the designated field promptly. This step is essential to verify your identity for security reasons. Afterward, thoughtfully create your new password and ensure it's strong and unique. This means avoiding common words or sequences and mixing upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. Once you've settled on a new password, enter it again in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typing errors. This double entry is a safeguard to confirm you've typed your new password correctly. With all the necessary fields completed, take a moment to double-check your entries. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and click on the Save button. This simple action triggers the system to implement your new password, logging you out from all devices promptly. This is an especially useful tactic if you suspect any unusual activity on your account or just want to make sure that any previous sessions are no longer active. By following these steps, you've effectively secured your Udemy account without needing a direct log out of all devices feature. If you ever revisit this need, just repeat the same process to maintain your account security and ensure only you have access. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take control of your account safety. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.